So hello everyone. The title of today's lecture is real numbers. So for understanding this real numbers, we have already discussed in the previous lectures some two important types of numbers. The first one is rational numbers and the second one is irrational numbers. I suggest you to first refer to those two videos to get a clarity on what is real numbers. So we can understand this in a very simple manner. The real numbers are the collection. If we collect both the rational numbers as well as irrational numbers, then the resulting list of numbers which we get is the list of real numbers. So that's what I have written today. You can easily understand it. Collect all the rational numbers, collect all the irrational numbers which were lying on the number line, then we find a new collection of numbers which is nothing but the collection of real numbers. Now let's try to understand it geometrically on the number line basically. So let's sketch the number line. This was our number line. On this we have taken 0 as our point of reference, and this was the part of this number line was in the negative direction. Basically all the negative numbers were lying in this direction, which are less than 0, and the positive ones are in this direction. So let me assign it 2 arrows. So it is a line consisting of some numbers, and let me just point out some numbers on this line. So these are like in the similar fashion. You can understand these all are integers. If 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in both the directions, you can continue. So this list of numbers which you have already studied is integers. If I now choose the starting point from here, from 1 to this direction, then these numbers are natural numbers. If we include 0 to it, these are whole numbers. And now which we have already studied, like there are some more numbers between these numbers which are of course rationals as well as irrationals. Just for example, this half is a rational number, and there are so many different rational numbers. Of course, now there is a question which you all have to answer. The question is, how many rational numbers are there on this number line? So drop me an answer in the comment section. Similarly, how many are the irrational? So the topic was real numbers. So if you now collect all the numbers which were lying on this number line, then those numbers in all represent one category, and which is the real numbers. So basically take all the numbers which are lying on this. So under the real numbers, all the previous list of numbers which we have discussed, starting from natural numbers, integers, whole numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, all are real numbers. So this bold capital R, this convention is used to denote this list of numbers. So I hope you got a clarity on what is real numbers, and in the coming video we will going to discuss some representation of irrational numbers and some problems based on them. So we conclude this video today with this. So do also share about our platform among your friends, and find a link to our official Facebook page in the description. And thank you so much.